Yo, what's up? I know it's been a while. It's been around 4 months since I've last talked to you guys. And a lot of stuff has happened, you know. I had a lot of thinking to do, you know, specifically about what I want to do with my entrepreneurial journey. If I wanted to continue going to school, if I, wanted to continue drop shipping as a whole, or if I wanted to, start an agency or just, all this stuff, making money in between. But I just wanted to come on here today and give you the right direction to go in if, you actually do want to make a lot of money drop shipping. I just wanted to paint the picture and make it look, somewhat simple, because a lot of people, just getting into drop shipping right now are very confused on how everything works, and I just kind of wanted to lay it out and show you guys that it's not as hard as you think it is. In reality, all it really is just testing over and over and over again and not giving up. And I know it sounds cliche, but if you do just that, you're gonna hit the goals that you want to hit. So to start, before you even touch drop shipping, you have to have discipline regardless. Like, it's, if you're fat and you want to get 6-pack abs, like, you're gonna have to hit the gym every day for at least 3 to 6 months to really see a ton of results. It's the same thing with drop shipping. You can't just expect it to happen overnight. And the way I recommend to get discipline is to pick up a hobby that you don't really like doing all the time, but it benefits you in some way. So for me, it was running and biking. Early in the morning, I would do that every day because I was a little bit overweight, and I lost my way doing that. But because I did that, I developed a routine, and I developed a lot of like disciplinary things in my life, and that ended up rolling over to my success in the entrepreneur world, right, and in the dropshipping world. So if you don't have that discipline right now, but you want to make money somehow, just before you even touch this stuff, just go and do something that you don't like every day and do it for a while. And I can pretty much guarantee that if you have that routine in your life, you can make something like, drop shipping work for you. So once you've done that, you need to dumb down your process. You need to not worry so much about, the logos that you create or how good your website looks. All you're focusing on when you're first starting drop shipping is just testing as many products as possible, because nothing's going to teach you as much as 10 to 20 product tests. Like, I know pretty well that after my first 5 tests, I knew what I had to do to make dropshipping work. So just obviously make your sites look nice, like where people can actually buy off them. Make them color coordinated, make them easy to read, simple, but just don't put a whole lot of time into them. What you really need to focus on is finding good products. And yes, wow, hey, Will, like, how can you just say that without explaining it? I'm going to explain it right now. What you need to do is find products that sell well. It's not, that when you go on, TikTok made me buy it and you find some viral product that someone's running up on organic. No, you need cold, hard evidence that the product that you want to sell is actually selling. So you can do this pretty much in one way, and that's downloading all the sales trackers like Alley Hunter, PP Spy, Shopify Raise. That's a completely free one that not many people know about. What's another one? ShopHunter.io. And you basically want to, track as many stores that are selling the product that you want to sell, and you actually want to validate that that product is actually selling, right? And I recommend for you to test a product to, for someone or some store to at least be doing, 1K a day with it. These are the only products you should be testing, I wouldn't recommend just testing some random stuff you find on AliExpress, that you think might sell because you have a gut feeling that it will work, or, stuff like that. Like, you know, at this point in time when you're a complete noob, you can't be relying on your gut feeling because, you know, you don't have one at that point. Like, you just don't have enough. Your mind hasn't absorbed enough data for you to have a gut feeling. You should only be testing, you know, those types of products, right? And I mean, most of the time, if you pretty much copy your competitor's store and you know, run the same exact ad and, you know, you have somewhat decent metrics, you know, most of the time, if the product's really popping and if it's a true winner, you know, it's gonna work for you. And that's how I found my first winner. You know, I just pretty much copied my competitor's store like to the T. I ran their same offer. You know, I tweaked their creatives a little bit, but yeah, that's pretty much all I had to do. And then I had a business that was generating me $30,000 a month. You know, once you have that consistent flow of, you know, you testing products, I'd recommend, you know, one product every 3 days if you're a noob, because yeah, I know, you know, there's a lot of stuff to learn, like making your website, you know, creatives, TikTok ads, but you know, just get in the flow of consistently testing products because it's going to teach you so much. Like, I guarantee if you do this for a month, like, you're going to know exactly what you need to do to win. Once you have, you know, a consistent flow of products, you know, you're going to pop your first winner. And once you pop that winner, you're going to be like, okay, how do I scale this, right? Right now, TikTok is extremely easy to scale. Literally, all you need to do is show TikTok that you have a lot of money to spend and they're going to, you know, favor your ad account and they're going to favor your campaigns over your competitors' campaigns because they know that you want to spend more than them, right? All you want to do is win the bid, you know, win the advertising auction, right? You want to, you know, win all the purchases. So the best way to do that, just like in any auction, like at a cattle auction or a car auction, is to show that you want to spend the most, right? So, you know, my philosophy with scaling is that if you just show that you really want to spend a lot of money, which is, you know, having a bunch of campaigns running at once, you know, they're going to give you, you know, very profitable purchases and a lot of them, right? So, I mean, I think that should give you a good enough hint as to what to do to scale. And, you know, a lot of my friends right now are doing like 10, 15, 20K days, like every single day. And they're popping winners like left and right, at least, you know, one decent winner every 2 weeks. And by decent winner, I mean like 200 to 300K a month, you know, per product, per winner. You know, once you're at that point of like, okay, I know exactly how to pop a winner. I know exactly what to do for ads. Literally all you need to do is just replicate that. Like, my friends right now, because I'm going to be honest, like, you know, I'm not extremely highly scaled on my e-com stores. You know, I'm focusing on other ventures right now, but I know I'm getting a little bit off track here. But basically, you know, from this video, I just wanted to say that it's not as hard as it seems. You just need to have a consistent flow of proven products that you're testing. For scaling, you just want to have a bunch of campaigns running, cut what isn't working, you know, and leave what is working and scale what is working, right? And have, oh, I forgot this part. You also need to have extremely high quality creatives, you know, like, sure, you can start with ripped creatives. You can, you know, rip them off of PP ads and then put them into a metadata cleaner and then run those, you know, clean, ripped ads, and you should get decent metrics with a brand new ad account. By the way, never test products on the same ad account. I see that I get horrible metrics of whenever I test like 2 or 3 products on one ad account. Just always keep everything clean. New store and new ad account, right? A new pixel. But yeah, as long as you have, you know, those 3 things, a good product, you know, a way to scale it, and a good consistent flow of creatives, like, you can literally hit 100K a month extremely, extremely easily. So guys, listen, I know that some of you are stuck in the position where nothing is working with dropshipping, and you see this video, you're like, oh, how does he just say it's so easy? Like, it's not. I've been trying this for months and months and months. You have to keep on going, okay? I can guarantee that if you spend a couple more months, you know, testing products, you know, if you test 1 every 3 days at least, you're gonna hit a winner. Like, it is very, very hard right now not to hit a winner if you're only testing products that you know are already selling. Like, this method is so cracked. But, you know, just keep on pushing, man. I know you got this. Like, I know there's somebody right now, because I've been in your position before, I know there's somebody right now watching this video, and you want to hit that winner so, so bad. Like, you don't want to go to college. You are stuck at some, you know, job that you really don't want to be at, this is your only way out right now. You know, you've been doing this for a couple of months, and you know, just push through. You're almost there. You're almost there. Just keep on going. I promise you're gonna hit it, man. You're gonna hit it. Okay? So just keep on going. You got this. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.